All right, so first topic this morning, Opposition Senator Dr. Floyd Morris has been elected to the United Nations Committee on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The election was held on Monday, November 30th, in the afternoon. So, Senator Morris, and I'm really proud of him because he's such an advocate.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And I love to see the passion that he has. And he's not daunted by anything. He's not intimidated by anyone. He just does what he has to do for himself and for those he represents. So it's a great honor for him.
It's absolutely obvious that he has found his purpose and he's living in that truth, you know, and I mean, he deserves all the accolades, every ascension into, you know, higher posts and responsibilities because he is definitely going to carry it through.
Yeah.
You know, he's such an inspiration.
And I like that because he doesn't, and I said, he's not intimidated by anything.
Yeah.
So people who will see him, you know, people with disabilities who will see him and they can say, you know what, he can do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
In the show, limitlessness,
man,
you know, and I
no
love
limit.
that about him.
And I love this because I've been around him a couple of times and I love his spirit.
Yeah.
I love that he doesn't feel like, you know, because I have this disability, I'm not going to do this, not going to. No, he's just always ready to go to the next level.
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah,
Congratulations to you. Now, let's get into our next topic. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reporting that the island has recorded 47 new cases of COVID-19 and 1 death. Now, these new cases comprise 22 males and 25 females with age ranging from 3
days old. Yeah.
Are you
3
crazy?
days old.
This is like, I cannot believe this.
Yeah.
Wow, 83 to 83-year-old. So you're talking about a 3-year-old to an 83-year-old as well, right? Pushing the country's tally to 10,911, of which 3,888 are still active. This is alarming. Like, it makes you want to cry, seriously.
Yeah.
And going down into the Christmas season, you get even more concerned, you know, because
And I remember when
the movements then don't really start it, you know.
that, you know, because I remember Minister Tufton had said the holiday period when people are going to be coming back into the island in the numbers, they are expecting to see the numbers go up. But I mean, it's important to know that the active cases are 3,888. But at the same time, we still have to be mindful because people not, as I said, not adhering to the protocols, the social distancing, all that. Because I go places, you know, and when I see people just next to each other, because people say Jamaica is small, you know, in terms of who knows who, but when you go to different places like supermarkets and you go to the banks, especially on end of month, when you go to the lines and you see people at the ATMs, there's a whole heap of people.
And you see, in the moments when you're moving around, you don't really think about where else the person will go and who else the person will interact with. Like Mr. Vegas, I interviewed him the other day on Fame, and he said to me, you know, just remember that you have the older people and persons with underlying conditions, you know, that are so much more vulnerable to COVID than us who maybe are right, you know. And I have parents who are in their 60s, and I have grandparents still living, you know, so, and I have to go around them still.
Right, Debbie, I looked for my grandmother. Oh, I think it was last week I looked for my grandmother. And my grandma said, okay, I'll come here at the house.
Yeah.
And, you know, I said, Grandma, just come give me a hug. And she said, no. I mean, I know in my mind, but, you know, it's your grandmother. It's somebody that you've grown to love. And just the fact that I couldn't hug her is kind of like...
I know, it's heartbreaking, right?
Yeah. But meanwhile, a 67-year-old male from St. Catherine is the country's latest death, pushing the death toll to just under 260 at 259. So, yeah, we have to keep...
Please be safe, guys.
Keep being safe.
And wear your mask still and sanitize same way, man. Wash your hands same way, please.
Distance. All right, so last topic. Former U.S. presidents Obama, that's Barack Obama, Bush, and Clinton have intended to promote public confidence in the safety and guarantee of the COVID-19 vaccine. The 3 former presidents trust that their message will serve as an awareness campaign on the effectiveness and robustness of the vaccine so that the Americans do not have to fear that their health may be in danger in any way, shape, or form with what is going to be administered in form of the vaccine. And I knew this was coming, you know. I had a conversation with a friend of mine, and I knew this was coming. The influencers, as they are, former presidents, will want to show solidarity with their health system to come and take the vaccine. But my question is this, you know. How do I know that is the vaccine.
They're actually being given?
Yeah, me no know, David, me no know.
You have to trust it, sir.
Yeah, but for trust it like that, for them, they can come on TV and get injected with water for all I know. Honestly.
No, but think about it, because if they're not given, if somebody else is given the real thing and the side effect is...
But you never know. They may say the side effects may affect them differently from it affects anybody else. I don't know. And I understand why people are afraid of this vaccine thing, because I saw someone send me something that they have searched for the cure for AIDS. They tried to find a cure for cancer for hundreds of years, can't find nothing. And COVID-19 has been around, well, for what they said, for past 18 months. And for a vaccine to come out as quick as it has, it's going to raise questions.
But the COVID, you know, COVID has been around for a while.
Yeah.
It's been around coronavirus has been around for a while. So maybe they have been researching it.
Yeah, and I don't doubt that.
You know, and then to the scale of the spread, you anticipate some, you know, some faster movements in.
And I guess because technology is so advanced now.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid of an eagle, so maybe.
You're afraid of what?
I'm afraid of an eagle. Ask anybody. I'm afraid of an eagle. I cry.
So would you take it in a pill form then?
If it's a pill?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm afraid to take pill too, because pills stuck on my throat already.
We may need to give him, like, you know, something with dissolve in a water maybe.
Put me to sleep. Put me to sleep.
That's it for our trending topics, guys. Whoosah.
Yep, more to come.
What a time.